Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies in the cryptocurrencies market. So before starting this video, I would like to say something about my channel. I would like to show something about my channel. So let's see, as you can see here on the screen, a lot of people are not subscribing my channel. As you can see here, 93.8% people are not subscribing my channel, as you can see here. So first of all, I would request you, I said you, please requested you to please subscribe our channel. Please click the subscribe button now. Thank you so much for subscribing our channel. Let's see the live price prediction of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies of last 1 hour. Thank you so much for subscribing once again. That is the live price prediction of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies of last 1 hour. It's loading, and today date is 25 March 2021. You are watching now. So as you can see here, it's a very good news for Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. As you can see, the positive change, 1.61% of the change of the Zilliqa cryptocurrencies in the cryptocurrencies market, and the high change is dollar 0.169361 is the high change of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. So let's see the live price prediction on the of the technical analysis on the graph of the Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, at this period, the for dumping of the Zilliqa cryptocurrencies are start continuously gradually, and after this time, they are jumping or start now. As you can see here, they are jumping or start now. So that is a good time to buy Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. So as you can see here, it is a good time of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies, and now is also a good time of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. They again are ready for jumping. As you can see, they are ready for jumping. So kindly don't forget to subscribe our channel for latest news of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies and other cryptocurrencies. Thank you so much for watching this video.